Digital transformation is the way of the future for consumer packaged goods. Every CPG plant is on its own journey, and embracing the smart factory concept is the way forward. By digitizing analog plants, CPG manufacturers can leverage automation, meet uptime targets, extract more value from existing infrastructure, and access critical data. With accurate, timely data, you can make better informed decisions, drive efficiency, reduce costs, predict maintenance needs, and unlock new manufacturing capabilities. Belden understands the complexity you face. We will work with you to define and deploy the right technologies to drive digitization forward. For decades, we've been a trusted OT partner, enabling connectivity for CPG manufacturers like you. Now, you can tap our seasoned expertise, vast solution portfolio, and key partners to innovate the network and connectivity solutions that will enable your plant for the future. Belden works with you to understand your current challenges and prepare you for your biggest opportunities. Our solutions are vendor agnostic, and we deliver a timely migration plan to maximize uptime and leverage the value that's already in your existing infrastructure. The result? A network solution that unleashes the power of your real data. Power that will enable you to rapidly advance efficiency because you can see and eliminate factors that contribute to production downtime. With digitization solutions from Belden, you can run analytics in the cloud and at the network edge, and then leverage the insights to make workflow decisions automatically, to correlate OT and IT data in real time, and ultimately to create a measurable return on your investment value. As you journey toward your digitized future, Belden walks with you through every step, supporting you from start to finish. Let's build the future.